Lamsago friend song tini hai nironi bawik opma kaham to hai pika abong kha IBPS ni bkhakte total job notification lau man na teiwe aro tamo post ong education qualification busuk na bofro apply ma khane aborok kaham ke sai manan bangai video no poilan sing paithak jora sayawi nai tong baje okay teibe katal job notification manan bagai ani o channel no subscribe khaina di tei video no sajakan ke like khaidi share khaidi ge faide जों direct notification ni bikhago thangnasinai abongkha IBPS ni bikhaktei je total notification lau mani aro tamo post ong koita vacancies ong aborok no kaham khan nayoni bagai puila chimi paithak jora kaham khan nai tong di puila chung nailainai important date rongna teibai aro post ni mong wngkha probationary officer tei management trainee ni bagai klangjaknai tei aro important date rojak kha important date no chung tabuk nailainai important date rojak kha aro online register khaibani bagai nai date rojak kha 1 tarik August ni theke 21 tarik August jora online apply khaimanai hinai rojak kha tei tolao tongphio payment application fee rojaknai bo haina 1 tarik August ni theke 21 tarik August jora roimanai September mas rongkhana pre exam training najaknai tei October mas rongkhana preliminary exam ni bagai online call letter download khaimanai tei aro rojak kha October mas o preliminary exam najaknai tei October haike November month o preliminary exam ni result lamunai hinai sajak kha tei November month o na main exam ni bagai call letter download khaimanai hinai sajak kha tei rojak phikha main exam ni bagai declare result rojaknai December haike January ni bisingo main exam ni result nakharnai hinai sajak kha tei interview najaknai January February 2025 ni bisingo najaknai hinai sajak kha tei final rokni allotment lamuknai abongkha April mas ni bisingo nirokni join rok ngui thangnai haini bagai nirok kaham ke preparation rok nawi online apply khaina di ge faide tei bichung short khai nailasinai tabo ge faide short nailasinai abo apply khaina ni bagai education qualification busuk na abo no kaham ke saimanai tei busuk bosor ni chimi busuk bosor jora apply khaimanai abo rok no kaham ke nailainai ge pila chumi paithak jora kaham ke nai tongdi video no sajak kan like khaidi tei participant bank ni bumrok tongo Bank of Baroda tongo Bank of India tongo Bank of Maharashtra tongo Canara Bank Central Bank of India Indian Bank Indian Overseas Bank Punjab National Bank Punjab and Sinds Bank UCO Bank Union Bank of India aborok ni bisingo tlangjaknai ge short ke chung nailasinai ge kaham ke nirok notification naina bagai ang video ni description no roinai abono nirok download khaibinai kaham ke naibi busibai nirok online apply khailajak age rojak kha minimum 20 years anganangnai tei maximum 30 years aboni bisingo ST SC ni bagai age relaxation rojak kha 5 years tei alada rok ni bagai rojak kha 3 years abo haike koyokta rojak kha kebaidi tei bichung nailainai education qualification busuk na education qualification rojak kha a degree mane jekono graduation in any discipline jekono graduation ongkang khana aro apply khai mansnai gene rok daite apply khaina rogai kaham ke preparation nawi exam rok khai nai rok chakri join khai manai gero application fee rojak kha ST SC ni bagai rojak kha 175 tei others ni bagai 850 registration fee maronai tei ro examination syllabus rojak kha preliminary ni bagai exam syllabus rojak kha English language marnai quantitative aptitude tei reasoning abai ke 30 mark ni English 35 mark ni quantitative aptitude tei reasoning ability ni bagai 35 ke total 100 mark ni 60 minute ni bising exam marnai tei main exam ni bagai rojak khara reasoning and computer aptitude ni bagai 45 question 60 mark tei general economy banking awareness ni bagai 40 ta question 40 mark tei English language ni bagai 35 question 40 mark tei data analysis and interpretation ni bagai 35 question 60 mark abai ke 200 mark ni exam marnai tei English language by writing and easy marnai 2 ta question tei 25 mark ni writing exam marnai gendro kaham ke sai mana bagai notification download khai kaham ke nanya ladi file chung tabuk nalenai koita vacancies tong abono nalesnai oro vacancies rojak kha Bank of Baroda o tongo Bank of Baroda o kri najakya tei Bank of India o tongo SC ni bagai 132 ST ni bagai 66 abai ke total 885 ta Bank of India o tongo tei Bank of Maharashtra o kri Canara Bank o tongo ST ni bagai 45 tei total tongo 750 abai ke Central Bank of India o tongo ST ni bagai 150 tei total 2000 abai ke India Overseas Bank Punjab National Bank Punjab Central Bank UCO Bank Union Bank abai ke total tongo total 4455 ta vacancies tongo aro bisingo ST ni bagai tongo 332 tei SC ni bagai tongo 657 tei OBC ni bagai tongo 1185 abai ke total 4455 ta vacancies tongo gendro ni bagai kaham kok opportunities pai sok pai bebade jeng tabuk nalenai exam center ni bagai chini Tripura ni bagai boro exam center nai chini Tripura ni bagai rojak kha Agartala o exam center preliminary exam ni bagai Agartala o nai main exam ni bagai Agartala o nai ke kaham kok opportunities sok pai kha gendro kaham ke preparation nadi tei exam kaham ke rolai di ngitin ni bagai asung nang laisna gendro kaham ke notification rok naiwi online apply khaina rok nai ngitin ni bagai asung nai jotono no hambai।